When it comes to health and safety practices on farms, they're more than just hoops that you have to jump through. What can often feel like unnecessary compliant protocols can sometimes mean life or death or a very big fine. In the past, we've had a lot of paperwork to keep up with the rules around health and safety. But since COVID-19, digital solutions have become common practice. There are easy software options for safety and visitor management. Some combine all your compliance or emergency response needs in one place. In order to set up a health and safety system, you need a digital map of your farm. This should include the boundaries, the lanes, the paddocks, location of your first aid equipment, and any hazards. Depending on what solution you choose, you can add staff and give certain people different levels of access to this information. These apps are cloud-based, meaning you can access them using your smartphone, tablet, computers, or any device with internet connection. If you have problems with internet, you should opt for a system that works offline or one that gives you devices to extend the internet coverage. You get to set up your solutions in a way that follows your company's policy and takes an account of individual staff, visitors, and task management. If you often have temporary hazards, you can get them into the system and allows you to change policies and to share with anyone you choose. Decide what you want your system to include. If you want visitor checklists, visitor management processes, and emergency plans displayed, make a note of it. Or maybe you want day-to-day standard operating procedures, task management, task awareness, mapping risks and hazard notifications, and incident response information shared through this system. Whatever it is, make sure your provider can do it. Digital visitor management is much more practical and efficient because the visitor can download an app on their phone and sign in on arrival. You can have whatever information you like on this app. If you want them to be given a checklist to agree to before entering, you can have that. The system records their arrival details and can send alerts to staff. Areas of the farm the visitor has been to are recorded by GPS and kept in the system. These systems can simplify the work with contractors. If you want, you can approve certain vehicles and the app will alert you when they come and go. With increased concerns about contagious diseases like COVID-19, TB, and the risk of foot and mouth disease, health and safety apps are a great way to maintain security. When you're ready to explore your options, market leaders include OnSide, Zero Harm Farm, and Orange Cross. When deciding on your provider, make sure you give them everything you need. If you're a horticultural farmer, you know your requirements will be different from other farmers, so be clear on your needs. These systems are great at reducing risk, improving performance and task management, but in order to do this, to be more accurate and efficient, you have to be able to learn how to use it. So make sure the app is user-friendly. If you're unsure whether you're on the right track, get in touch with other farmers in the area and see what suppliers they would recommend.